In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password from PDF file and how to unlock PDF file without password. We will begin with the quick method for when you already know the password. Then cover an online option for when you don't. Please use these techniques only on documents you own or have explicit permission to modify. And be mindful of privacy and legal requirements in your region. If you already know the password, the goal is simply to create a copy of the PDF without its security settings. Open the PDF in your preferred editor, such as a full-featured PDF application, and enter the password when prompted so you can view the file. Next, head to the Tools area. Open the Protect section, then look for Encrypt or Advanced options and choose Remove Security. Menu names can vary slightly between PDF apps, but you are looking for the option that disables or removes encryption. Finally, save the document to apply the change. That's it, the saved copy will open normally without asking for a password. If you want to be cautious, save it as a new file so you preserve your original locked version. If you don't know the password, proceed only if you are authorized to unlock the file. Keep in mind that uploading documents to third-party sites can expose sensitive information, so avoid doing this with confidential materials. Open your web browser and search for unlockinipdf.com. On the site, click Unlock. Then use the drop-down to select Remove Password. Upload your PDF, choose Full PDF Unlock, and start processing. This can take some time depending on file size and server load. To retrieve the result, you'll need to purchase a membership token on the site. Results may vary, and some strongly encrypted PDFs can't be unlocked by online services. A couple of final notes to make your life easier. Always keep a backup of your original file before making changes, especially if the document is important. If the PDF belongs to someone else or comes from your workplace, check with the owner or your organization's policies before removing protections. And if you are regularly sharing PDFs, consider whether a password is still necessary or if a safer sharing method like controlled access in a secure cloud workspace might better fit your needs. That's the process from start to finish. Always respect user security. Thanks for watching.